Welcome to my channel Study Roses. Please subscribe to my channel and support us. Hi everyone. Concepts we are going to learn are light, reflection, laws of reflection, important terms, regular reflection, irregular reflection, mirror, types of mirror, characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror, rules to draw ray diagrams of concave mirror. Light. Light is electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by the human eye. Reflection. If the light rays bounces back to the same medium after striking the surface of an object, this is called reflection. Laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. The normal ray, incident ray, and the reflected ray lies on the same plane. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Important terms. Angle of incidence. It is the angle between the incident ray and the normal to the reflecting surface of the point of incident. Angle of reflection. It is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. Normal. The line drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence is called the normal at that point. Regular reflections. The reflection from a smooth surface like that of a mirror is called regular reflection. These reflections are of same direction and have a uniform flow of light. Irregular reflections. When the light falls on the unequal surfaces and the scattering of light is irregular, this is known as irregular reflection. These reflections are of different directions and have no uniform flow of light. Mirror. It is a highly polished reflecting surface and it is coated at back with black or brown color. Types of mirrors. There are two types of mirrors. Plane mirror. A plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflective surface. For light rays striking a plane mirror, the angle of reflection and angle of incidence are equal. Spherical mirror. A mirror with a surface that is either concave or convex and forms a portion of a true sphere. It is further classified into convex mirror. The reflecting surface bulges out, and concave mirror, the reflecting surface is inwards. Characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Plane mirror. It forms virtual, erect and lateral image. Height of the object is equal to height of image. Object distance is equal to image distance. Rules to draw ray diagrams. A ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus after reflection. A ray passes through focus parallel to the principal axis after reflection. A ray passing through center of curvature is reflected back along the same path after reflection. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis is reflected obliquely, making equal angle. Characteristics of image formed by a concave mirror. Object when placed at infinity, position of image is at focus. Nature of image is real, inverted and diminished. Object placed beyond C. Position of image is between C and F. Nature of image is real, inverted and diminished. Object placed at C. Position of image is at C. Nature of image is real, inverted and diminished. Object placed between F and C. Position of image is beyond C. Nature of image is real, inverted and enlarged. Object placed at F. Position of image is at infinity. Nature of the image is real, inverted and highly enlarged. Object placed between F and P. Position of image is behind the mirror. Nature of image is virtual, erect and enlarged. Thank you.